newest Louis Vuitton added to my collection. This is a round bag, which I love. It's a little bit smaller, so for going out and not taking too many things with you. The Chapeau Souple. Let's open it up. As you can see, it's the round shape. Really love it. Little details. Also on the other side you have a little pocket where you can stick things in. Let's see the inside. So on the inside comes with a long handle. You can take it in yourself. A little surprise in there as well. Golden lock, which matches your hardware on the bag. As you can see, it's the same color. This is really a formal bag. Let's say if you go clubbing or whatever, take it with your evening wear, matches perfectly. If you're in the club and you want to lock it for your own safety, it comes with a golden lock which matches your hardware, so you can just close it up and no one can reach your wallet or your phone. So perfect size with a long handle. You can take it just over your shoulder like this. So I'm gonna go now. Bye!